3, 2, 1.
This way for fun and adventure. Ice Age.
How do we know it's an ice age? Because of all the ice!
Ferngully.
What are you supposed to be, some kind of fairy?
Of course I am.
Fabulous day in the canopy, isn't it? No worries. I'm okay.
Anastasia.
You ever thought about the possibility?
That I could be royalty?
Sweet Anastasia, Empress of all Russia.
Titan AE.
I'd lean back if I were you. Told you.
We did it, kid.
Robots.
Ta-da! I'm back. You miss me? Who wants to get fixed?
Stick with me, kid. I know this town like the back of my hand. Hey, that's new.
Great fun and adventure. Now available on DVD.
For the first time ever, Dr. Seuss's The Cat in the Hat comes to life on DVD. Now you can have tons of fun.
This cat is currently in violation of 17 of your mother's rules! 18!
Loads of catacular adventure. Stuffed full of perfect DVD extras.
It's too much!
Would you like to go back in the toilet?
On second thought...
Dr. Seuss's The Cat in the Hat on DVD and video today. Rated PG.